I will be making creamy group of school omena. If you're used to making just the normal basic omena, come join me. Let's get creamy. For our recipe today, we have 200 grams of omena, 1 cup of milk, some all-purpose flour, 3 tomatoes, 1 red onion, coriander, 2 cubes tomato paste, cooking oil, and some hot water and a bowl. Next to it, it's my pan, cooking pan. I'm gonna start off by picking up my sorted omena. I've already removed all the shells and all the dirt in the omena. Place them into my bowl. Add in 4 cups of hot water. I will continue stirring it. This is the same as washing the omenas, and I will repeat this process for 3 times. Then I'm gonna separate my omena from my first wash. You have to be really careful as the water is super hot. The reason I'm scooping off my omena before I drain out the water is because underneath it's all the dirt. You know, when you wash something that's too dirty, all the stones and all the dirt tends to go down. So this is my first wash. I'm gonna repeat the process again. And this last wash is where you will soak your omena for around 10 to 15 minutes using hot water. I'll set my omena aside. I'll pick up a knife and my chopping board. Also, I've noticed that my pan is big for my small omena, so I'm gonna change it and pick a small pan. I'll pick a small pan. Then I'll start. Sorry, I have to place it nicely. Let me start off by, I'll continue chopping my onions. I don't like this hard part of the onion. If you don't have any red onion, you can use any onion of your like. Once my onion is ready, I'll put on my pan into a medium flame. I'll add in 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. I'll scoop out my omena and let it drain all the excess water. Once your oil is ready, drop in your omena. Drop in your omena and fry it for around 1 to 2 minutes. Or fry it until crispy. I'll keep on checking my omena for it not to get too crispy. I'll scoop them out and drain the excess oil in them. Next step, use the same oil to saute your onions. I'll wait for my onions to turn golden brown. In the meantime, I will dice up my tomatoes. As I wait for my onions to turn golden brown, I have to keep an eye on them. You will notice that my onion has turned to golden brown. I'll add in my tomatoes. If you notice, they are juicy. Not forgetting my tomato paste. I'll also add it in. I'll stir until my tomatoes are well cooked. The reason for adding the tomato paste is to give it the reddish tomato color and to add the flavor. After 2 minutes, I'll add in my seasoning. On to my next step, I will add in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Then cook it for around 45 seconds to 1 minute. It's been 55 seconds. I'll add in half a cup and stir slowly. I'll continue adding and stirring slowly. At this point, I'll add in my omena. Which is super crispy. And stir it slowly. I'll add in the last quarter of my milk. I'll let it cook for around 30 seconds. In the meantime, I'll be chopping down my coriander, which I'm gonna use it to garnish my recipe. If you notice that your sauce is thickening up, add a quarter cup of milk to it. Make sure your flame is on medium-low. I'll have a taste. The cream is okay, but I have to add in some salt because I forgot. I'll add in a quarter teaspoon of salt. I like mine tasty. Let it cook for 10 to 15 seconds. I'll garnish it with coriander. After 15 seconds, my meal is ready. I will serve it with my side dish, which is ugali. It's just not your normal omena. I'm done preparing my group of school creamy omena, and my side dish is ugali. Let me have a taste before I continue responding. To be honest, this is indeed a group of school team. My omenas, which I had fried them earlier, they are now very soft and creamy.